How to hide pins on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can hide pins on Pinterest. If you come across pins that are not relevant or simply don't interest you, follow these steps to clean up your feed. Open your Pinterest application on your mobile device and head to the home page where you will find the news feed. As you scroll down, and if you encounter a pin that doesn't interest you, tap and hold the email. A set of options will appear, and among them you will notice the restricted icon resembling a hide pin option. Try to move your finger to that hide icon. Pinterest will prompt you to provide a reason for hiding it. Select the reason, and Pinterest will then adjust your feed to show you fewer pins similar to the hidden one. And there you have it. You have successfully hidden pins on Pinterest, tailoring your feed to your interest. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.